Welcome back to Biomandscape. Today we are going to know about qPCR Primer-BLAST. So first we are going to open the NCBI website. After that we are going to select ACE ACE2, which we are gonna design the primer. So here, after typing ACE2, we are going to search it. After that, we got all these results. Click on ACE antagonistic converting enzyme. After clicking on it, we get the gene name, gene symbol, organism, gene type, alternative names, protein, then reference summary, and all the essential things are there. The genomic contents and annotations, genomic location, accession number, now we will go with the gene page. After moving with the gene page, we will go directly to the reference sequence. Here we get various names. There are so many names present here. So we can select any of the reference sequences here. For example, if we are taking for mRNA protein, so we'll click here on this particular reference sequence, and after that we will select the pick primer. After clicking on the pick primer, we will get this page and we will change here 200, maximum from 70 to 200, and here minimum for the primer melting temperature it will be 60. And here in this column exon junction span, we have to choose the primer must span an exon and exon junction, and after that we will just get the primer. Now just tick on the particular accession and submit it. This is the result that we got for the Primer-BLAST. So here we will get the input PCR template, other reports, and here for downloading the primer pair, there are primer pair 1 and primer pair 2. These are the primer pair 2 given. Here there is a forward primer, reverse primer, then template strand, the start and stop codon here, the self complementary and self 3' complementary, all is given here, exon junctions, the product length, reverse primer, the product on intended targets, the product length, forward primer, template, etc. Everything is given here for primer 1 and primer 2. So you can download here the primers and perform your Primer-BLAST. We can select the forward primer from here and reverse primer from here. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe BioMindscape.